Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna show you how to make a glowing mouse pad with watercolor painting. If you're new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more DIY craft. And now, let's get started. First, you need to have watercolor paper, and I'm using 120 GSM paper. Next, you need a PVC foam board sheet with the same size with the paper. The one I'm using is 2 mm thick. Then you need a sheet of transparent sticker paper with a bigger side to later cover the mouse pad. For watercolor painting, you can choose the colors that you want, and I use yellow, red, orange, which I think would be pretty cool when they go together. For glowing effect, I use luminous powder, and this one need to clean the brush and paper tissues and a brush. Finally is a double-sided tape. Now I will use this tape to stick to the edge of the paper. Need to do it for all edges. For the corners, remember to cut off the extra tape. It will look better later on when you sprinkle the luminous powder on. Now I continue to stick it to the paper in geometric pattern. It doesn't need to be symmetrical as I want to give a free artistic style. Now I will show you how to paint watercolor. I will do one by one, and first I apply water onto the paper. Make sure that the corners and the edges are soaked with water. Then I start from a corner by applying red color. If the paper dries out, then you need to add more water in along the way. Continue adding orange and also some water if need be. Then I'm adding yellow last and continue to work on the paper if it is still wet. Then I'm done for the first triangle. Then I do the same steps for the next one. It's really easy, but you need to make sure that the paper is wet so the colors won't be spread out beautifully. When finishing the pinning, wait until the paper is completely dry. Then I take out the non-stick side of the double-sided tape. And use fingers to spread it evenly. Next, I apply the glue all over one side of the foam board sheet and tack the paper on. Then I cover the mouse pad surface by the transparent sticker paper. Stick the sticker paper to the other side to make sure it covers on the edges. Then I cut off the extra parts in the corners. And it's done. For more videos like this, please check out our channel. Thank you for watching.